Hi, well today for my 2-Minute Tuesday, I'm going to do a tool review. I'm going to review this Ridgid portable work light. It runs on 18-volt batteries, and I've had it for about a year now. So I always want to wait for a while before I do a tool review so I can give my honest opinion and let you know the pros and cons of a tool. So I've had this for almost a year now, and I really like it. I highly recommend it. This is the model number R869422-1. So yeah, this is a really nice bright light. Is that bright enough for you? And I really like it. It comes in really handy. I use it for a lot of things. I originally bought it because I needed a work light, general purpose work light, but I also needed a light to help me make YouTube videos. And at the time, Jake Thompson from Northside Custom Crafts used a light like this, and I'll leave a link below in the description to his YouTube channel. So that's why I ended up buying it, because he uses it for filming, and I wanted a light to help me film also, but also, like I said, general purpose, woodworking, but also even work on cars, pickup trucks, that type of thing too. You know, you have a dark area you just want to light up. It could be for woodworking, it could be inside cabinetry when you're installing some cabinets. The 4-amp-hour battery, I've never run that all the way down in a day. So it runs super long. One nice thing, I'll turn it on again. This is full blast. I'm gonna point it down so that it doesn't glare you out. But it has a nice adjustable feature on it. So this is full blast. And then you go down here and this is the low. So that's low. And then you can just turn the dial and it goes up to full, or any place in between, which is really nice when you work on stuff, because sometimes you don't need a full blast, but you definitely need some brightness. So it works very well. And for me doing my YouTube videos, it works really nice, because I definitely don't turn this on full blast, because I have this light facing me as I'm doing a video. I mount it on a stand and it faces me kind of like this, except you can't have it, you don't see it of course. But there's no way I want a full blast, because it just won't work. I just use it for like a filler light for YouTube videos. And then since I had it, I keep using it for other items around the shop and so forth, around the home. And I'm very happy with it, extremely happy with it. So if you're in the market for a nice portable work light, check this one out. I highly recommend it. So one other thing I do like about it a lot is that it has these portable wings on it to fold in and out. So you can move these in and really focus the light on an object or the area that you want to work, or you can just open it up and have a nice wide span of light. So I like that. And of course, another thing I really like is when you close these up like this, it protects it very well. So if it's bounce around in the car, bounce around in a pickup truck, even if you just have to knock it over or something, especially when you're transporting it, it's very tough and rugged. Plus it just takes up less space in your shop when you're storing it too. But nice and rugged. Open it up, you're ready to go. Got the battery in already. What could be simpler than that? Fantastic. So I hope this is helpful to you. As I said, if you're in the market for a nice portable work light, definitely check this one out. Well, that's all for today. So until next time, have a great day.